Hello and a very good day everyone. So today I'll be guiding on Power Query. So basically Power Query is one of the essential feature in Microsoft Excel. So as we can see in this particular sheet, we have a Power Query sheet, and in this particular sheet we have these football clubs and also their respective points. Okay, so now what if I tell you that I can automate this data by putting it in a different Excel file? So normally if we want to insert this particular data to another Excel file, we will either control C and control V. That means we will copy and paste, or we either will right click, and then we will go to move and we'll move it to a different file. But what if I tell you that you can automate this data accordingly in a different file using Power Query? Okay, so let's have a look. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this first. All right, and then I'm going to create a new file. So now we will move to a new particular file, and then I'll go to data. As you can see over here, we have home ribbon, insert ribbon. So one of the ribbon here is data. So I'm going to go to the data, and then I'm going to go to get and transform data. I'm going to click at the get data. I'm going to go from file, from workbook. Okay. So next I'll go to Power Query part 1. Why Power Query part 1? Because this is the data that we want to extract. So I press import. Okay. So the moment I press import, a window will appear. Okay, this is the window. So I'm going to click at the league table, and then I'm going to press load. Okay, so I'm going to press league table and I'm going to press load. So now we have a data: Arsenal, Chelsea, Manchester United, Liverpool, and the respective points. So now what if just say I want to create additional points? For example, 47, 57, 67, 77. Okay, so if you notice over here, maybe I put here 0.2. Okay, I have included an additional data in the original file. So what I need to do is, first thing is I have to control S. That means I have to save this file first, and then I go to this particular file again. I'm going to press this, right click. So the moment you press right click, you notice that there is an element called refresh. So the moment you press refresh, you will notice that your data has been automated automatically. Okay, so let me show you another magic. So now if they say I want to put 0.3, okay, let's say I put here 34, 40, 44, 54, and 64. All right, so now I have included additional data over here. What I need to do is I need to save this file, Control S, and then I go back to this particular file, right click, refresh. So you have a data over here. So basically Power Query means allows you to automate your data accordingly. So if just say you were to extract figures or some data from another file, you don't have to copy and paste, or you don't have to press right click or move the particular sheet. Instead, you can use Power Query to automate your data automatically.